Good afternoon everyone, so we're looking at another fossil watch. I have looked at a similar sort of colour in this variant before, but going to be going down this sort of black and red route today. So, let's have a look at the box. So the box is a, as you might know if you have fossils in your own collection, not every box is the same across the different models, so you've got lots of different creativity and stuff like that depending on which brand and which collection you go for really, but they all follow the same sort of idea. They follow a sort of a tin style box with a simple lift off lid. This one seems quite heavier than most of them. They usually are quite light in box, but this one obviously seems to be a bit more packed than we might have expected. So usually the fossil box come pack a punch, and this is just jumps out at you. No wonder it's so heavy. It's just the watch. So this is the it's called the Fossil Blue GMT, but there's not really any blue to it. It's obviously full black and red theme. So you've got a 46mm case diameter with a 12.2mm case thickness. Retails at just £180 off if you can get it on Amazon, and probably weighs around like 250 grams. So it is quite a heavy watch. I'd recommend a bigger wrist for this. Uses a quartz movement as well. Uses a SR920SW battery with a guaranteed life of around about 2 years, usually when you buy them brand new from the manufacturer. So let's move on to the actual face of the watch. So the face is a like a sunray, I think it's slightly sunray, it's more, yeah, it's a slightly sunray black dial with fully luminous hands, fully luminous increments, and GMT hands just there. If you don't know what a GMT is used usually by pilots. You set the time with a time zone and it tracks it for you. Basically it's a dual time watch. With this watch, as you might have noticed from the dial here, you get 100 meter water resistance with the watch. You can use it for diving down to that sort of depth. Across the top of the glass you actually get mineral glass rather than sapphire, and it's housed in a full stainless steel body, including stainless steel bezel as well. There's different colours to this specific watch. Well, there's loads of different colours, depending on which one you want to go for. There's about 6 or 7 different variants. So let's come back to the bezel. So the bezel's got a bit more of a sort of a fluted style to it. It has a bit of a cheap sounding mechanism when you turn that around. But if you prefer that really cheap but loud click, then by all means go for it. It's a nice effect, but I prefer mine to be a little bit more delicate and a bit more heavy in terms of the tone. Come around to obviously the casing. We've got a full polished casing on the side here, as you can see here. The crown is housed in a bit of crown protection. Let's have a look at that now. Nice, well-defined click to the first position, thicker than most watches I've experienced, and a very nice sort of good bout of feedback to it. Second position. The hands are a little bit flimsy when you turn the actual dial. It doesn't take a lot of movement to just give those hands a little nudge. It could have had a better feedback, but it doesn't feel cheap in any way. But it could feel a bit stronger. I'll show you that GMT hand working here. So you can see the date dial is changing at the same time as that GMT hand goes across the 12, and that's obviously what that's for. You can set it to the 24-hour format if you wish to, like this. It's a simple push-in crown. I was trying to unscrew it, but it's not one of those crowns. It's just a push-down crown with that fossil engraving on the side there. So that's obviously the main watch. So let's come down to the straps. The strap is almost like an oyster-style strap that you might have seen on Rolexes nowadays. 24mm in size, but you can opt to have what they call light-tied Fossil patented leather straps. They are available on the Fossil website if you want to change those over, but you'll need a 24mm strap to chuck that on there. The actual strap is does seem quite heavy, but it looks quite nice in a slightly bigger size. The links are quite big, so that if you want to adjust these, the changes that you make, they'll have a drastic effect on the size of the watch. Come down to the double fold over system. It's got a matte finish inside here with a full US patent number on the actual inside of the actual strap there. Don't often see that. A little bit about Fossil as the brand. They were founded in 1984 and their focus was simply creativity. I mean, they specialise in offering these special moments kind of watches with the unique tins that you get with different collections and stuff like that, and they focus on optimism and having a joyful approach. If you read their about information, it does seem to go on a little bit about that sort of stuff, so by all means check that out. The actual backplate is a plain mirror finish, as you can see here, with just 4 markings on the back. Screw down style backplate with quick release options on the strap as well. Nice firm click down as well. So that's the Fossil Blue GMT, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next video.